Alright team, if I had a horse, I'd be on my high horse right now, but I don't have a horse, so the best I've got is this little soapbox. So I'm gonna get on my soapbox and I'm gonna preach to you about headlights. There is no excuse for cloudy or yellow headlights. Everybody should be maintaining their headlights the same way they maintain the rest of their car. We picked this car up recently, so don't blame me for these headlights, but these are pretty bad. And even when they get this bad, it's still easy and quick to bring them back. If they're in good condition, you can maintain them for literally a minute or two every time you clean the car with something simple as a scratch remover like this, or even just a spray on shine, just to protect them the same way you'd protect your paint. But because these ones are a little bit further gone, we're gonna go a little heavier. We're gonna use a bit of a cut there. A fiberglass cut works really well, then a heavy scratch remover, then a light scratch remover, and then the spray on shine. It sounds like a lot, but literally it's gonna be like 2 or 3 minutes per headlight. It won't take any time at all, and it'll make a bajillion% better looking car, and it's also way better and safer to drive behind. All right, I'm gonna get stuck into this. I'm just gonna do this headlight. It's the worst, and you'll be able to see how quick and easy it is to fix. I'll set the camera up nice and close so you can see the difference. I won't break the shot, so you know it's simple and easy, doesn't take long, and then I'll be able to do a real easy before and after shot as well. So watch this. So there we go. It's just that simple to maintain your headlights. That one was pretty far gone. That literally I checked. It took me 4 minutes, 58 seconds from beginning to end, including setting up the camera and everything like that. So I don't want to hear any excuses. Everybody's headlight should look like this, because I promise you, it makes your car look a heck of a lot better. Well, there we go. That's enough. I can get off my soapbox now. Don't need that anymore. Just do me a favor, look after your headlights. Don't go spending money on products or restoration. Just do the right thing from the beginning and your car will be looking good as new the whole time. Take care.